Classic Instruments is your source for automotive instrumentation. When it comes to a specialty project, Classic Instruments has the ability to build virtually anything you can dream of. Classic Instruments has a division dedicated to retrofitting or custom building instrumentation to your needs. Stop by an authorized Classic Instruments dealer today.
Good Guy Summer Event 2010.